and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel's all about art and craft. Now, as promised yesterday, today's video is about embossing vellum without getting the cracks in it. Now, when I originally did it, and it was actually the one that I did yesterday, I ended up that it was cracking everywhere, and I sort of went, I've got to find a way around this. So I'm going to show you something, because when I realised it cracked, I sort of thought, I wonder if it'll work if I put some foam underneath like I have here. Well, it turns out it didn't work, but just for this exercise, I'll put it through so that you can see that it will still not work. Well, it didn't yesterday, so I'm assuming it's not going to work today. So, and the other problem that you have is you can't get the vellum all the way to the edge. However, I just got a bit of fun foam underneath the vellum, and I'm actually putting 2 blocks on top of it, and I just have the base one, but that's because I'm using the cuddlebutt, which works slightly different to some of the other ones, so I'm going to have to do it this way. So let's run this through and we'll see what happens, eh? And I just had a bit of scrap floating around, so that's what I'm using. Okay, so let's open it up, and guess what? Oh, look at that. The fun foam's got it on. Beautiful. Yeah, except it still rips. Okay, so here's the trick. What you want to do is get a piece of cardstock, put that underneath, like so. Put it into your folder. Oh, I'll have to do it over to one side. Because I've got it so long, it's being a little tricky, and I'm going to have to move it down a little bit so that you can actually see that it works. And so the top's not going to come all the way through, but this is just a bit of scrap cardstock, so not to worry. So again, I'll use my 2 plates. And we'll run this through. Oh, yay. And there you have it. It didn't break like it did here. So this is a win-win, because you end up with your cardstock being embossed as well. So you are literally winning, because now I could use this for a different card, and I only put the embossing folder through once, and I end up with 2 lots. So there you have it. Nice little tip. Sometimes we just got to see if we can find ways around things, and it's about experimenting to see what will work and what will not. Now, the fact that the fun foam actually got embossed as well, it's kind of cool, because you could use the fun foam for something as well. So Anyhow, I do hope you found this quick tutorial very useful, and hopefully it will solve your issues when it comes to using an embossing folder to emboss your vellum. So be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for any of the videos that are coming up. So until tomorrow, I will say have an awesome time being creative, have a lot of fun, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.